Pinterest isn't just a place for recipes and home decor. It's a hidden goldmine for selling your digital products. Whether you're selling planners, templates, courses, or printables, Pinterest can drive traffic to your store 24/7. And the best part? Once you set it up, it can work for you on autopilot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Pinterest to promote your digital products step by step, even if you've never used Pinterest for business before. By the end, you'll know how to create pins that people click, boards that rank, and a system that brings you consistent sales. Here's why Pinterest is such a powerful platform for selling digital products. Pinterest is a visual search engine, not just social media. People come here looking for ideas, and they're ready to take action. Pins last months or even years, unlike Instagram or TikTok posts that disappear in 24 hours. Many Pinterest users are in buying mode. They're searching for printable budget planner, wedding templates, social media graphics, and more. So instead of chasing likes and followers, Pinterest helps you capture people when they're actively looking for what you sell. First, you'll need a Pinterest business account. This gives you access to analytics, the ability to claim your website, and special tools like rich pins and product tagging. Go to business.pinterest.com, create an account, or convert your personal account into a business one. Then claim your website so Pinterest knows where your traffic is going. This will also help boost your pins in search results. Pinterest works like Google, so keywords are everything. Create boards that are specific to your niche and what your customers search for. Instead of generic boards like cool ideas, go for digital budget planners or minimalist Canva templates. In the board description, sprinkle in keywords naturally. For example, discover minimalist digital planners designed for iPad, GoodNotes, and Notability. Perfect for entrepreneurs and busy students. This way, Pinterest knows exactly who to show your boards to. This is where most sellers mess up. They post product images that don't stop the scroll. Here's how to make pins people actually click. Use vertical images. 1000 x 1500 pixels works best. Show your product in action. Use lifestyle mockups for digital products. Add bold text overlays highlighting the benefit. For example, instead of planner, say, save 10 hours a week with this planner. Stick to clear, readable fonts and high contrast colors so text is visible on mobile. Keep your branding consistent so your pins become recognizable. I recommend using Canva. They have tons of Pinterest templates you can customize in minutes. Your titles and descriptions are how Pinterest knows when to show your pin. Use the Pinterest search bar to find keywords. For example, type digital planner and see the suggestions. Those are search terms people use. Put your main keyword at the beginning of your title. In your description, write 2-3 sentences that describe your product, who it's for, and the benefit. Then naturally weave in related keywords. Example, organize your life with this minimalist digital planner for iPad and GoodNotes. Perfect for entrepreneurs, students, and busy moms. Instant download, easy to use, and designed to boost productivity. Always link your pin directly to your product page, not your home page. You want as few clicks as possible between the viewer and the checkout. If you sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify, paste the exact product link in the destination URL. To see results, post regularly. Pinterest loves fresh content. Aim for 2-5 pins a day, but these can be multiple designs for the same product. Batch create your pins in Canva, then schedule them with Pinterest's built-in scheduler or tools like Tailwind. Use Pinterest trends to see what's popular right now in your niche, and adjust your pins accordingly. Also, check your analytics to see which pins bring the most clicks, then make more in that style. And that's how you use Pinterest to promote your digital products. If you start today and stay consistent, you can turn Pinterest into a traffic machine that brings you sales long after you post. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more passive income tips, and comment below what kind of digital product you're selling. I might make a video just for your niche.